Orange Telkom have been crowned the Kenya Hockey Premier League champions after thrashing Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology 7-0 in a match that was played at City Park. Telkom retains the title almost 2 months before the league comes to an end. In another match, KCA University emerged victorious after over Green Sharks at the same grounds.
A jubilant Telkom Orange took on Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, knowing that a win could crown them champions with a dozen of matches left before the league comes to an end. It did not take time for Telkom to find the signal as Gladys Nasamuki sounded the boards before Leland Aura doubled the lead. Jane Ofula bagged her first of the game and Telkom's third in the 20th minute. Flavian Mutiva and Terry Masibo scored a piece each before the breathers Orange's onslaught continued. In the second half, JKUAT found it difficult to handle Telkom's attacks as Jane Ofula and Jackie Mwangi made it 7. Captain Betsy Omala ensured her name was on the score sheet as she scored her team's final goal. Orange, who have only conceded once this season, are hoping to continue with that run until the end of the season.
This was just a confirmation that we are still on the right to winning the league for the 18th time again. Our target is not the league matches. We use the league matches to gauge ourselves if we are ready to play in the club championship. And what happens is that we ask ourselves a simple question anytime we walk into the pitch. If a team like Nigeria was playing against the team that we've just played against, would they beat them with the same margin or more goals? And if you realize that they would have scored more goals, we work extra hard to make sure that we maintain a different kind of level.
We're very excited. We're loving. We are just kind of swimming into the moment and enjoying every minute of it. And as a team, we are just very happy about it.
It's just for us to work on our systems and to just keep getting better and getting more exposed.
In other matches of the day, KCA emerged 3-2 winners over Green Sharks as Kabarak University beat Daystar Falcons 1-0. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports.